Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Wednesday, and I bring that up because on Wednesday I talked quite a bit about this pink line here, and that pink line being the 200 period moving average, and how overall, sure, the price had pulled back, and Wednesday was a rough day, but at least the price was still up above that, the 200 period moving average. However, after today, that is no longer the case. This morning, it really tried its best to stay up above there, but eventually fell below it, and kind of the rest is history. Down it went. So, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, and that rule states when levels of resistance when support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bounces back to the upside, not necessarily just tomorrow on Friday, but anytime next week, the new and key level of resistance now becomes right up there, right around 625, which is the value of that pink line there. Once more on my chart denoting the 200 period moving average. So that is definitely a key level of resistance now. Going forward is that 625. How about levels of support though now going forward? So you look through the history of things, and now the chart is starting to enter territory that it hasn't seen for quite a while, ever since the gap up. And the current level, which so far so good, the price is holding up above, is $5.80. But a 580 does not hold up, and the price continues to drift to the downside after that. Next key overall level, not until down around 560. So again, first level at 580, and if that doesn't hold up, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee, so I can't sit here and say that it's for sure going down to 560, that wouldn't be very shocking at all. 560, very, very important, because if the price were to actually go down to that level and then just get to there and continue on down, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, that sort of price movement would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where the chart was before the big movement upwards. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But as of right now, the price hasn't even broken through 580. So, maybe I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself there, but just trying to really illustrate why 560 is definitely a very important level going forward. So rough day today. We'll see how the week ends out tomorrow on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.